Hi, welcome to Lightspeed Academy. I'm Jim Cooper, and thanks for joining me for this Lightspeed session on using Sass to style your React applications. Sass stands for Syntactically Awesome Style Sheets, and it is a CSS extension that allows for advanced CSS syntax. We're not going to get deeply into that syntax, which you can read about here, but we'll demonstrate how to set up React so that you can use Sass in your project. If you use Create React App to generate your React project like we did, most of the support for using Sass is already built into the Webpack build. There's just one npm package that we need to install to enable it. So I'll open my terminal window and just install the node-sass package like this. And now I can use Sass style sheets. And I can do that by simply renaming my CSS files to have an SCSS extension, which also works with CSS modules. So now I'll just need to change my import to import the SCSS file, and now I can start using Sass syntax. For example, for this margin that is acting as a gutter between the main content and the right sidebar, I could declare a variable up here like this, and then I can use that variable down here. This is the type of thing that Sass enables, and you can see this is working fine. We still have our 30 pixel gutter right here. And this works with all of our style sheets, not just CSS modules. So I could rename my index.css file to index.scss and use Sass syntax in there too. And that's all there is to using Sass with a React project generated by Create React App. If you want to keep going, here is the next video on displaying images with React, and here is the entire Lightspeed React playlist. And of course, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see the other content we're putting together. And thanks, and keep learning at Lightspeed.